Are you okay?
Hello everyone, welcome back. It is 7:15 in the morning right now. Today we are going to be driving out to the Lake District and doing some cliff diving, hopefully. I say hopefully because currently there is a thunder and lightning storm going on and it is forecast to rain the entire time. I'm hoping it's just going to blow over because this is going to ruin my plans to film. I can't put the drone up in a storm. I'm not going to take my new camera out in the storm, and I'd only be able to film on a GoPro, possibly my phone. I don't know how much I'll be able to film really. Nevertheless, I'm still very, very excited. I've not been out of the house in a long time because of lockdown. As you can probably tell, lockdown's been a while, not been able to get the barbers for a while. Look how long my hair's getting. It's getting pretty crazy now. This is the first time since lockdown, which was March, that I've actually been able to go anywhere. I'm just gonna make it into a bit of an adventure. One-day trip to the Lake District. Now I've actually got 15 minutes till I need to leave, so I need to go pack my bags. I've also got my new Yes Theory Seek Discomfort merch on, and the one rule that came with this clothing is that you have to wear it during adventures, and if this isn't the perfect time to wear it, then I don't know what is. Bye. Okay, it's about 4:30 now. We were and an ahhing whether to go because the weather was forecast to be very bad. It's going to be a thunderstorm today. But we've ended up coming in the end because the forecast changed to sun and cloud, which is good enough for us. So we're in Rydal for the first spot, a place called Buckstone Jum. It's a short walk up to there. I'm going to start that now. Okay, we've just arrived at the waterfall that we're going to jump off, just behind me there. Sorry if the audio is really bad, but the waterfall's quite loud. Just going to get in, have a swim, see if it's deep enough to jump in, because that top rock looks quite high, probably a good 20-25 feet. I was planning on flipping it today, but I'll just start off jumping it and see how it goes, see if it's even deep enough first. Proper cold. Okay, so we're just finishing up at that spot. That was pretty crazy, jumping off that big cliff then. I just climbed a bit further upstream to film some footage. Found another massive waterfall with another potential cliff diving spot. Just walking to that one now. It's only a bit upstream. Looks a lot cooler though.
So I'm eyeing up this spot up here for a potential jump, quite a bit higher than the last one. But I'm just gonna get in, do a bit of a depth check, see if it's deep enough to start off with. But I did see a few rocky bits around it. If it's deep enough, I don't know if I will jump it. I don't know if I've got the cones, but yeah, we'll see. I've just done a depth check there. It's definitely deep enough, but that means I'm going to have to jump it. I'm quite scared for this one. Definitely quite scared. I've not done much cliff diving before, so this is 100% the highest I've ever done. Definitely. We're just on our way back, walking from the cliff diving spot we've just been to then. Just sent it off the biggest cliff I could find. Honestly, such a great feeling. Just started raining now. We were thinking of going Black Moss Pot, which is about 45 minutes from here, but Bella's got work in the morning, and if this rain holds up, I don't think we'll go. But probably going to come back to do that because I'm completely addicted to this now. It's honestly such a great feeling. Just felt like surreal as I was falling. Yeah, it was such an amazing feeling. So you're either going to see more footage of us diving at Black Moss, or the video will probably end here. Just in case we don't go to Black Moss, I'll do an outro now. So thank you for watching. I think I'm going to do more content like this in future. Plan to maybe go camping around Lake District for a week and find loads of cool spots like this. If you'd like to see more things like that, leave a comment, show me that you're enjoying it, and I'll definitely get around to doing it. Also plan to do it at Cornwall maybe, just go all around the UK. Yeah, I think this is a new passion of mine. Yeah, I did plan to go abroad. I've got some money saved up, me and my girlfriend, we're going to go abroad. But while the UK is locked down and we're allowed to travel in the UK, I could do things like this in the UK because campsites are opening on the 4th of July, which is just in a few months. So I should be able to go camping in the UK soon. So if you'd like to see that, just leave a comment and I'll get around to doing more of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.